Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I use my Venmo card in the UK? I know that a lot of people use Venmo to send and receive money, so I thought it would be helpful to share some information about how it works in the UK. What is Venmo? Before we get into the details of using Venmo in the UK, let's take a quick look at what Venmo is. Venmo is a mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money to friends and family. You can also use it to pay for goods and services from businesses that accept Venmo. Venmo is available in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Puerto Rico. How to use Venmo in the UK? If you want to use Venmo in the UK, you will need to create a new account. You can do this by downloading the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have created your account, you will need to add a funding source. You can add a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Once you have added a funding source, you can start using Venmo to send and receive money. Can I use my Venmo card in the UK? The answer to this question is yes, you can use your Venmo card in the UK. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. You will need to enable international transactions. This can be done in the Venmo app settings. You may be charged a foreign transaction fee. This fee will vary depending on your bank. Not all merchants accept Venmo. You will need to find a merchant that accepts Venmo before you can use your card. How to find merchants that accept Venmo? There are a few ways to find merchants that accept Venmo. Use the Venmo app. The Venmo app has a map that shows you all of the merchants near you that accept Venmo. Check the Venmo website. The Venmo website has a list of merchants that accept Venmo. Ask the merchant. If you're not sure whether a merchant accepts Venmo, you can always ask them. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about using Venmo in the UK, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.